What's going on with Mara, Coinbase, and Riot, everybody? The price bumped up, then bumped down, and now we still holding the gain that we did last few days. So in today's video, we have to discuss what we should expect, what we should do, and of course, sorry about yesterday. The sound was a bit messed up because OBS have a bit of trouble, and now I fixed the problem. So let's get right to it and discuss Mara first, then Coinbase and Riot, and of course go back from the last video what we talk about, because we talk about a major breakout zone that we have to discuss in today's video around this breakout, guys. As we said, we have the $20 as a breakout where we confirm that the market maker bought. How and when and how we know that? Because we've got this major selling pressure pattern that we broke for Mara, and of course this is the trend that been we've been doing since Bitcoin have hit the all-time high. As we discussed before, we said Bitcoin is the major mover for Mara and Coinbase and Riot, because if Bitcoin go down, crypto or crypto stocks or minor stocks will go down, because investors will be a bit scared to hold those stocks. However, right now we have to discuss Mara price projection of at least for this month and the next month. And we have to discuss again why Coinbase is the only stock is jumping 5%. You see here on our crypto stock list, Coinbase is the only one hitting the all-time high. Today we have the test for all-time high, then the price went down a bit. As we discussed before, we said Coinbase because it's much safer bet for investors. That's why investors go back to Coinbase, because Coinbase is more safer. However, Mara and Riot, once they jump really big, like 20%, 30%, and huge jump up. So in today's video, we have to discuss where we have another jump. Is that the bottom that we have to all buy at or reload at? And we have to discuss if we have another bottom to buy the dip at. So hit the like button, everybody. Don't forget that, because we always go live each day 30 minutes before the market open. Because today, guys, today we hunted many stocks, and one of them was Cavala. This one was the top gainer for today, guys. Look at that, a huge jump, and we already hunted for this stock today exactly there. Where? Of course, on our Discord. Let me just show you very quick what we did here. If we go on our live streaming, you see here 11 a.m. Paris time, which is translate 2 hours after the pre-market open. We discussed Keval first because we said this one looking perfect, guys, and we watch it closely for entry. Let me just show you exactly what I mean, because this was the first stock that we watch, because we said the $2.16 is the resistant, profit taken is around the $2.50 and the $3.64, and of course we updated our level of resistance and breakout. Look at that, because we saw this breakout and this channel breaking around this level, guys. Look at that closely. Let me just go really deeper and see. Yes, we have a breakout from this channel, and that's why we have the entry around the $2.20. So if you want to have entry and alert for those kind of stocks, the link in comment section below for our Patreon and Discord. Right now, let's go back and see. Oh man, look at me. Look at that. It's reversing exactly from the support, the 2090. Anyway, we're gonna do chart analysis update for you guys on our Discord and Patreon here on our unicorn hunt after we finish our update here. So let's now talk about Mara. You see what's happened here? The price pulled back down again. Why? Because yesterday we have a good jump over the 20. So the short seller yesterday covered around the 2039. So this was a really good buying pressure that the market maker make the short seller cover first. Why? And again, of course, this is not the first level, but the first level was just right there around the Wednesday 20 of March, where the price broke first then we have another pump around the 20. Now we have a pullback because this is normal. Some people taking profit. That's why the price pulling back. And again, of course, we getting near the 25.19 cents. So this is the resistance that where we should have another pullback. But this is not the problem here. The problem here, we have to confirm if the market maker is still holding the $20. It's psychological level, guys. If we hold over the $20, it mean the market maker is still holding. And if the market maker holding is mean we are safe to hold with them. Here is really simple, guys. I make it really simple. If the market maker buying million of shares and we just buying, let's say, 100 shares, why we scared? Because the support will be strong. It means the strong is made really strong and can't be broken. If that's the support is made by woods, is not made by a big engineer or a good engineer, of course will be broken. So this is kind of good analogy to see if the bridge that you're crossing is made by good engineer or bad engineer. Good engineer is made or is mean market maker buying. Bad a bridge is mean made by farmers, or I don't say that farmers is not good engineer, but you know what I'm getting here. Sorry, I'm not trying to make anybody angry at me, but I'm trying to make it simpler for people who never trade before to understand our analogy, or I don't know how to say acnor. Acnorum or acnorum. Anyway, so you know what you understand what I mean here. However, if we have our right now is $1 or 1% down, so this is not a huge jump down for Mana, just a correction. If we go right now for Coinbase, yes, Coinbase have support over the $2.56. Oh man, the sun is really strong. That's why I can't concentrate while I'm talking, guys. I'm not drinking anything or smoking weed or whatever. I think I have a bit of sunburn or some sun shock because it's been a while. Last time I saw the sun here, last few days it was really cloudy, and for me it's kind of it's been a while that I saw the sun. I grew up in like in the sun, but in Europe it's always cloudy right now, and during this kind of season. That's why I'm trying to enjoy the sun as much as possible, guys, and do the video outside in my park. Anyway, Coinbase, guys, 256 is the support, as we said, is the strongest because the market maker is still holding. We have the test or the kiss of death for the short seller, guys, around the 276 to be exact. So if we broke this level, hallelujah, it means we're gonna have the 300 mark for Coinbase. And now 256 is the support. Before the support we said is around the 215. So 256.76. As long as we hold it, is mean we're good to go to break and have a new high. We're gonna go back to Mara to confirm where the short will cover. However, we have to confirm right first. For right, guys, we've got a new level. Yes, where we break from last time. Let's say we still holding over the 10. So we have psychological level for Mara to hold over the $20. For right is the $10. It's really simple. Make it round number. It's not exactly, but is around that number. So the $10 is kind of the support that we should hold for right. And the resistance that we have to make the short cover and have another jump, because here we had a really good jump, guys, almost 20%. So we expect another almost 30% if we broke the 1358. Finally, for Mara, we have the $25. So the $20 is the support, $25 is the resistance where the short seller have to cover over there. After that, we have the $31. So if we calculate how much, yeah, we could do 25-30% like in for right, because most of them for those stocks, if they jump, they're gonna jump the same percentage wise, because we have, I think, the same bot who buying those crypto stocks. This, like, there's one button, the market maker buying those stocks at the same time. So we have to watch out for those support and resistance. For tomorrow, we have to update you guys for any reaction that will happen for those crypto stocks. Because let me just go on crypto, guys, because Ethereum, we have even Bitcoin Cash looking good because it's still holding the gain that we did yesterday, and we don't break the support for them. And Bitcoin didn't go like really low, just 2%. So there's a chance for a continuation up. We're still near the all-time high. So there's a chance that crypto stocks will have like recovery and going to all-time high once again. So we're gonna do update for our hunters here, of course, on our live streaming that we do 30 minutes before the market open, and before that 2 hours and 30 minutes on our page here on Discord. So if you want to have early access for mini stocks, join us in the link in comment section below for our page here on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.